Ni hindi ya icera ria maabitha nene thirikari-ini njera-ini ya KITENGELA kaunti-ini ya Kajiado kuria thirikari iriranĩire gucokereria mubango wa kwarahura ruhonge rwa guthondeka njũa na indo cia njũa makiria njera-ini. Kuringana na mwandiki mukaru ruhonge-ini rwa njera SALOME BEACCO, njera igiri nicio itanyitwo kwambĩrĩria mubango wa kuriukia iganda ici ari ni hamwe na njera nene ya KAMITI ũndũ ũmwe na njera ya KITENGELA.
Here in the prison we have a tannery, and the reason we came is so that we can look in at the tannery and explore ways of reviving it, and we have toured the entire tannery. We have seen the machineries that are there, the work that needs to be done.
Tuuze hizi viatu tutatengeneza hapa, ama vitu zingine kama mifuko, ama hizo vitu zinatengenezwa na hii ngozi tutumia hapa Kenya na zingine tutume kwa nchi za nje.
Mathina manene maria macungiriirie gutharara kwa iganda ici magatanyo kurorwo mari ni hamwe na kwaga gwa gute giko kia njũa undu mwe na wagi wa macini ciria ciagiriire cia guthondeka njũa.
And the bottom up economic transformation agenda, one of the main things is vocational training. And we think that if we can revive the industry, the leather industry in prison, we can scale up the training of our inmates as well as our staff in leather production, and also plug into income, revenue generation for us, because we already have the infrastructure. It is just finding a way of leveraging.
Kuringana na mwandiki mukaru ruhonge-ini rwa ũrĩithia wa mahiũ Jonathan Mweke, kuriukia iganda ici kũrĩ na itanya rĩa guthondeka makiria iratu milioni 27 harĩ mĩaka ĩrĩ yũkĩte. Ũndũ ũyũ ũgĩkinyanĩrio kumana na namba nene ya ohwo arĩa marĩkĩtie gũthomithio kothi cia guthondeka indo cia njũa.
Hii tunatengeneza kama milioni 8 ya viatu na tunaweza tengeneza milioni 36. So tuko na hii mradi kuhakikisha tumeamsha miradi kama hii iko hapa, ndio tutengeneze ngozi, tusaidie vijana wetu na training ndio wajue maneno ya kutengeneza ngozi.
So far we've already trained 15 of them in the leather production, and we hope to scale this up so that we can have as many inmates as possible trained by the trained officers.
Adini ya KAMITI TV retora kwa ni Bataru wa Mwagi.